Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the chat style of your chats and conversations with the artificial intelligence and character AI, including, for example, the tone, the style, and so on and so forth for the chats you have with the AI here on character AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to character AI, log into your account, and what you want to do is navigate to your profile. To do that, click into profile icon in the bottom left, select public profile. And after that, navigate to the characters tab. Click into the given chat with the given created character. And here to the right, guys, you will see that panel. So at the bottom of it, you will see style. Click into it, and you may select one of these available chat styles here. Now, some of these may be available only with specific account status, for instance, or membership. But as you can see, I will go, for example, with, I don't know, this one here. And you may also use some of these legacy models here. And if you'd like to apply these for all chats, use or enable this checkbox, click into continue chat. And that's it. Now that's one way how you can do it, guys. You can, for example, also change the voice for the given artificial intelligence character. For instance, now I'm not going to play these voices because due to copyright reasons, but you can click into these here and change the voice. And if you'd like to listen to replies and responses provided by the artificial intelligence, you may customize also the background by clicking to this button. And also, if you click into these three dots here and select edit, you'll be redirected to the character creation and editing. So you may provide information like the background to describe it, add tags, and so on and so forth, guys, or change the voice here by clicking into the drop-down menu. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.